Hello viewers, welcome to Learning All Tutor. Today we are in a rice mill and here we are going to explain the cleaning process of rice. Right from paddy field to the rice bag, what all steps are there in this cleaning process. We will be explaining that thoroughly so that you will understand the cleaning process and you'll also be knowing what all can be used out of this rice cleaning process. So watch the video till the end. There are a lot of steps in the cleaning process and I will try my best to translate from regional language to English. So this is the first funnel where the paddy is sent to the machine. So from this funnel there is an elevator system by which the paddy is taken to the top and then it is sent to the next funnel where the first machine is. And in this first machine the cleaning process starts. And it removes all the grass, and if there is any iron particles, it will remove that completely, and then it goes to the second machine. Again, there is a elevator system which will move paddy from down to up, and from then it will pass on to the second machine. And in second machine, the sand particles and the small stones will be removed, and based on the stone size or the sand size, there are different outlets of the removal process. And once after the sand particles are removed, again it passes on to the funnel and the elevator system will move the paddy to the next machine. And the next machine is the machine where the husk, or called as rice hull, is removed from the paddy. All the rice husk is grinded into powder and is collected in multiple bags. This rice husk will be used in red bricks making, and it is also used in poultries as a bed for chickens. Again the same process is continued. Once after the husk is removed, the paddy is sent to the elevator and the elevator lifts to the top and then sends to the next machine. In next machine we have 5 layers of filtration, and by this filtration it will remove all the broken rice until we get the pure brown rice. If the machine finds any rice with husk, it will filter and send it back to previous machine where the husk will be removed again, and then it will come for the filtration process. Nowadays, brown rice is considered to be healthy, and based on the requirement, the brown rice is packed from this process, and whichever rice is needed to be polished will be sent to the next step. And from here, the polishing step starts. From the output of brown rice machine, the process continues and the elevator lifts the rice to the top and pours it into the tunnel of next machine, and in this machine the basic polishing starts, and by the basic polishing the rice turns from brown to medium white and we can see the output of the rice, and it is also calculated in bags and distributed to some parts of the country. And then this output is again elevated by a machine and it pours the rice to the next funnel where the second machine does the fine polishing, and the output of this polishing will be completely white. While doing this polishing, there will be a fine powder which comes out of the machine that is called as rice bran powder, and rice bran powder is collected and saved in a separate bags, and that has multiple benefits. It is used as a food for cows. It has lot of fiber, and in this process there will be some broken rice which will be filtered again, and there are 5 filters in this output, the final machine, wherein the broken rice will be filtered and sent to the machine one more time to thoroughly cross check whether the rice is broken or not. And there will be 2 outputs, one will capture the broken rice and the other one will capture the full rice, and this is the final stage. From rice bran Rice bran oil is extracted and it is considered to be healthy, and as it has a lot of fiber, it is also used in fiber biscuits. I have tried my best to explain all the different steps. Now let's see the live example of this cleaning process. So first, the paddy is thrown in this tunnel, and once after the tunnel is filled, the gate will be opened. So generally paddy comes in multiple bags from multiple farms. If you see, this is a big tunnel and then the gates are opened and slowly the rice paddy starts moving by the elevator. And once after the elevator moves it up, it goes to the first machine where the grass particles are removed. So this machine completely filters all the grass, and if there are any metal particles, it will remove that. And from this machine, it goes to this tunnel, and again the elevator lifts the paddy and once after it goes up, by the tunnel it goes to the next machine. In this machine, all the sand particles are removed, or the small stones are also removed. These are all heavy machines and it makes a lot of noise, so I'm not playing the audio, I'm just playing my voice here. So then it goes to the next machine. So from that machine it goes down and then elevator lifts it up and then sends to the next machine where the 5-stage filtering process starts. So in this machine we have 5 stages or 5 layers of filtering process, which will remove all the broken rice and give us the brown rice. So if you see, these are the 5 different filters which is happening, and the output of this will be the brown rice, and all the broken rice are captured in a separate output. So from this machine the brown rice comes and it goes to the next funnel, and from that funnel again the elevator picks up all the rice and moves it to the next machine where the polishing starts. These are the elevators which carry the brown rice and moves it on to the next machine, and this is the polishing machine funnel. All the brown rice come here and the filtering polishing starts. So this is the first basic polishing, and in this process we get a lot of rice bran as well, as I told you. That will be collected in a different bags and the rice will be sent to the next machine for the second level of polishing. So in the second level of polishing, the output will be a pure white rice. See, this is the pure white rice which comes as the output from the second polishing machine. So these are the ones which are getting available in the market, These are captured in a bag and then sent to the different parts of the country. So it goes to one last round of filtration, and again we have 5 layers of filtration where it will separate all the broken rice in a separate tunnel, and all the fine rice will be coming as an output from the another tunnel. So this is the final tunnel where we get the fine brown rice, and that is being captured in the bag. And once after it is captured in the bag, the weight of the bag will be checked, and based on 50 kgs or 25 kgs, the bags will be packed and sealed. Here he is removing the extra rice because it is more than 25 or 50 kgs, and once after it reaches the exact mark, it is sealed by the sealer. This is where all the powder is collected, which is the rice bran powder, and this will be used as feeding for cows, and also it is used in biscuit making, as I told you. There are a lot of machines and lot of tunnels, so sometimes it gets confused. So don't get confused with all this unit, but understand the process. And if you want to establish a rice processing system, it is not easy. It's a big investment and big task. So this is how big the unit is. And this is the rice bran, which is collected in a separate godown. It is used in red bricks making and also used in poultry as a bed. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos.